Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're planning to move to Kuwait for work in 2025, this video is for you. Today, I'll explain the latest Kuwait immigration process step by step, from getting a visa to settling in Kuwait. Make sure to watch till the end for some important updates and tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Job offer and visa sponsorship. To work in Kuwait, you need a job offer from a Kuwaiti or MNC company. This company will be your sponsor and will handle your visa application. Here's what you need. 1. A valid job offer letter. 2. Your passport, valid for at least 6 months. 3. Educational and experience certificates, if required. Once your employer issues a job contract, they will start your visa process. Step 2. Kuwait Work Visa Application. After accepting the job offer, your employer will apply for your work permit, Ithna Amal, through Kuwait's Ministry of Interior. Required documents for visa approval. 1. Passport copy. 2. Passport size photos. 3. Medical test reports from an authorized center. 4. Police clearance certificate, PCC 5. Attested educational certificates, if applicable. Once the work visa is approved, the Kuwait Embassy in India will process your visa stamping. Step 3. Medical test and visa stamping. Before traveling, you must complete a medical test from a GAMCA-approved center in India. The tests include A. Blood test. B. Tuberculosis and hepatitis screening. C. Chest X-ray. Once you pass, submit your medical report and passport to the Kuwait Embassy for visa stamping. Step 4. Traveling to Kuwait. After getting your visa stamped, book your flight to Kuwait. When traveling, carry these documents. Passport with visa, medical test reports, job offer letter. Upon arrival, you'll go through immigration clearance and your employer will guide you through further procedures. Step 5. Residency, Iqama, and civil ID. Once in Kuwait, your company will apply for your residency visa, Iqama. You'll also need to complete another medical test and fingerprinting for security clearance. Process 1. Medical check and fingerprinting in Kuwait. 2. Iqama stamping in passport. 3. Applying for civil ID, Bataka. It takes around 10 to 15 days. Your civil ID is your official identification in Kuwait, and you must always carry it with you. Step 6. Final registrations and work permit. Before starting work, you may need to register with Ministry of Labor for work permit verification, health insurance, mandatory for residency. Once these are done, you are officially a resident and ready to work in Kuwait. Important tips for 2025 immigration. Here are some important tips for a smooth immigration process. A. Double-check your visa details before traveling. Make sure your medical tests are from an approved center. C. Keep multiple copies of your documents. D. Learn basic Arabic for daily life. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Kuwait Telugu Settler for the latest updates on life and jobs in Kuwait. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.